Okay, so the similarities between the crash Bitcoin had recently and where the S&P is currently at are quite amazing. If you go back to the 2021-2022 crash where Bitcoin led the charge by a few months and then the stock market followed, the highest volatility cryptocurrency being the most volatile led the charge, then stocks. So I hope you can see this clearly, but the top chart is Bitcoin. The bottom chart is the S&P. So we had the Wyckoff distribution pattern on Bitcoin, as you can see here. And we had the, after we took out the all-time high back here in October, so we took out the previous all-time high, and then we dropped down with a lower low and form a compression triangle, which was really the last point of supply and the kiss goodbye into the bear market. Okay, the whole pattern from coming up to the buying climax in the Wyckoff distribution was around 4 months. So we have an almost identical pattern playing out right now on the S&P. So we had our buying climax on Bitcoin. The buying climax was July, and then we broke in just at the beginning of November. So yeah, it was about, by the time we actually got up there, it was about 4 months in total. And here we see the buying climax put in at the end of October. So it's November, December, January, February. Where are we now? We are midway, heading towards the last portion, last third of February. So we have a lower low. We had a lower low. We form a compression triangle. We're forming a compression triangle. And then that was the kiss goodbye. So are we currently on the S&P? Are we currently here where Bitcoin was? Because it certainly points to it. Obviously, it could be completely wrong and it goes bullish and it's all invalidated, but due to the confluence of bearish factors being up at major round number levels, 7,000 for the S&P, 100,000 for Bitcoin, it was consolidating around that level for 4 months. We've been consolidating around this level for the same amount of time with the same kind of patterns. We have a very volatile world situation at the moment with Iran and the US and with Trump's tariffs. So could we get some major catalyst? And the charts seem almost primed for the kiss goodbye. So we'll have to wait and see.